The best camera is the camera that's with you, and I'm just too impatient to use a tripod. I want something that's small and easy to carry to help me get over my OCD. Yeah, I love my big cameras, but sometimes I just don't want to bring anything, and I don't want a camera to stop me from thinking creatively. So I find myself using my phone cameras more and more, and I think I finally found something.
This is the O-Log system from WINYEDA that I can bring with me to create content or use as a tool professionally. This thing really helped me get my shots because
I can easily adjust to the right angle.
I can mount it on a tripod,
You can put it on a table.
I can strap it to a pole.
You can mount it onto anywhere you want, basically.
They got a range of accessories that I think is very good for content creators. If you're looking for something, I really recommend this. This is the WINYEDA O-Log, and this is Johnny Hao. Thanks for watching.